Taylor Swift has shared footage of Travis Kelce kissing her. This happened moment after Taylor released her brand new Fortnight music video. To promote the song, Taylor released some behind-the-scenes footage of what she's been doing in this past year. And in the footage, we can see a clip of Travis Kelce kissing her while they're cooking food together. People were shocked that Taylor would release this because of how private she usually is, and she likes to keep her partners off her social media profiles. But to many people's surprise, she has opened up and shared this footage for everyone to see. It's made fans very happy and has assured fans even further that Taylor and Travis are still together and in love. She also shared footage of her and Travis walking down a lit-up forest together, holding hands on a date. While we don't know where this exact location is, it looks like they were having a great time there together. It's worth noting that in one of her new song lyrics, Taylor says she was waiting for Joe Alwyn to marry her, but he never asked her. Despite this, rumors have been rife that Travis does plan to marry Taylor in the near future, and if Taylor is willing to share their private footage with the world, it does seem possible that they are both taking this relationship a lot more seriously than their past ones. It's worth noting that despite Travis seeming like the perfect boyfriend, Travis's ex Maya recently gave a statement to the press warning Taylor about Travis's ways and said that he's a cheat. In Maya's statement, she said, "Once a cheater, always a cheater." Taylor seems like such a fun girl with a beautiful spirit, so I wish her the best of luck, but I wouldn't be a girl's girl if I didn't advise her to be smart. I'm sure by now she has mastered the ability to see who is really there for her and who is just using her. Only time will tell, but like the saying always goes, once a cheater, always a cheater. When we broke up, I found out through social media that he'd been in another relationship for 6 months. So it seems that Taylor is very in love with Travis, but considering his ex is saying that he's unfaithful, maybe Taylor should keep her guard up. For this video's comment question, do you think they'll get married? Before you go, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for daily news updates on your favorite celebs. Thanks a lot for watching.